Welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's practice some daily use English sentences. First sentence. तुम बिना मु मरी जीवी. Without you, I would die. Without you, I would die. बिना चीनी रे मु चाह पिएनी. I don't drink tea without sugar. I don't drink tea without sugar. तुम बिना मु बंचिबिनी. I will not live without you. I will not live without you. मु तुमको छाड़ी जीबिनी. I won't leave you. I won't leave you. समस्ते एठी अछंती. Everyone is here. Everyone is here. तुमे यहाँ को संभाली पारिबो बा तुमे यहाँ को चलाई पारिबो. Can you manage it? Can you manage it? मु तुम सहित अछि. I am with you. I am with you. मोर किछि अभियोग नहीं. I have no objection. I have no objection. मु तांको क्षमा करि परिबिनी. I can't forgive him. I can't forgive him. मोते लागुछि बा मु भाबुछि एसो पय हम इंग्लिश रे कहबा I think असंभव impossible किबा हम एमते कहि परिबा not possible. यह जरूरी. It's important. एते जल्दी करनी बा एते तरबर करनी. Don't make rush. तुम्हें बहुत भलो. You are just fantastic. मु एथिरु बाहरे बा मु एसबरु बाहरे. I am out of this. से ठीक कहउचंदी. She is right. मु मजाक करूनी. I am not kidding. तुम्हें बहुत बदल जाइछो. You have changed a lot. मोर मने नहीं. I don't remember. तुमको एई भली विचार केउठु आसे बा एई भली बुद्धि तुमको केउठु आसे. Where do you get such ideas from? बेसी कुहनी. Don't talk too much. से सेमान को गाली देले. He abused them. तुम्हें एबे भी रागी छो. Are you still angry? किपरि चली छी. How is going on? मोते किसी टंका धार दियो. Lend me some money. कथा ताहा नुहे. That's not the point. ताहेले मोर कौन करिबा उचित. So what should I do? मोते किसी पानी दियो. Get me some water. मोते टिके पानी पीबा को दियो. Let me have some water. मोते भूल प्रमाणित करनी. Don't prove me wrong. Don't prove me wrong. सुस्त रुह. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. खाली पादरे बाहर को जाओनी. Don't go out barefoot. Don't go out barefoot. से मते विश्वास करेनी. She doesn't believe me. She doesn't believe me. देरी करनी. Don't be late. Don't be late. तुम केमती जानिलो? How did you know? How did you know? जेते दूर मु जाने. As far as I know. As far as I know. मु भोकिला नुह. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. कि मामी एमती भी कही परिबा. I don't have appetite. I don't have appetite. जोर रे धरो, छाड़नी. Hold on tightly. Don't let go. Hold on tightly. Don't let go. निजे करो. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. केवल किछि दिनर कथा. It's a matter of few days. It's a matter of few days. Or we can say it's only about few days. It's only about few days. तुम्हें जहा इच्छा करो. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. एठी मो छड़ा केही नाहंती. There is nobody here except me. There is nobody here except me. मु वास्तव रे जानि नथली. I didn't really know. I didn't really know. मु सोइबा को अक्षम. I am unable to sleep. I am unable to sleep. खराब व्यवहार करनी. Don't misbehave. Don't misbehave. समय सहित भावना को बदलाओ. Change your thinking over time. Change your thinking over time. यह ऊपर बेसी ध्यान देवा बंद करो. Stop fussing over it. Stop fussing over it. यही चक्कारे कम पवन अछि. This wheel has less air. This wheel has less air. तुम्हें संपूर्ण सुनिश्चित? Are you quite sure? Are you quite sure? तुम्हें काहे केते समय नेउछ? Why do you take so much time? Why do you take so much time? यह गोटे छोट समस्या नुह. This is not a minor issue. This is not a minor issue. मु तुम कथा सुनिथिली. I overheard you. I overheard you. Overheard अर्थ माने कहा कथा को तांका अजाणत रे सुनिबा. से कथा होचंती बस तांका अजाणत रे हम तांका कथा सुनिचे. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Take care and keep practicing. Bye.